Hey everyone! So today we're working on a 14 by 18 canvas. This is a level 2. It's a little bit better canvas than the cheap little ones you get at Michael's. So I want to do like multiple ring pours on that, but I want it dark. Since it's dreary weather out, I want something dark. So I think I'm going to do at least 3 ring pours on there, and then we'll move it around. So I'm going to get my cups out here. We're going to be using Creative Inspirations Lamp Black, Pourage Posse Gold Rush, Pourage Posse Victoria's Muscadine Wine, Lukas Gold Bronze, Grumbacher Turquoise Green, and I may throw another color in there as I go along. I just haven't picked another color yet. Sorry. So I'm going to start with some black. And this black does have silicone in it. And all the other colors do as well. We will follow that with some gold. I'm going to squirt on one side of the cup. I hope I have enough of that for another round. I'm just trying to get these bottles emptied so they can get washed and refilled. Okay. I think we'll have enough for one more round, and that's about it. So what I'll probably do is put some black on the canvas as well, just so everything moves. Okay, let's see how much we can get out of these. Alan loves when I empty bottles. Not really. Okay. There's 2 down. This one we may not get 3 cups out of this. But any little squirt of that color will work. And then I'll finish with black. So I ended up not using another color, which is good. But these have silicone, so we're going to have cells, and it's not going to be just like a lines. It'll have cells. Okay. Let me move those aside. We'll bring our canvas back in. Okay, let's start pouring. We should be good for paint. I picked up some beautiful runoff today from paintings. I have tons and tons of snaps to glue. My case is full, so... So if you haven't tried the snap jewelry yet, I have videos on that. You can just do a search on my channel for snap jewelry. Alright, one more. I am going to put some black around these though, because I think we're going to end up with gaps, overstretched. The gold bronze kind of melded into the black a little bit. I didn't like that. Alright, So I have some black without silicone that we will pour around those. Just to get everything flowing. So while I'm doing this, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, I think we'll be all right now. Just have to have something for it to move with. Let's torch those bubbles out. Okay. I like to get everything together before we start stretching. I'm going to head for that corner, take that off. Get that corner. I may have to add a little black there. See if I can get that edge without losing too much. Over there. Okay. All right, let's torch it and see what bubbles we can pop. I love the colors in here. Those metallics will dry so pretty. I love this spot here. Some of that there. This looks a little wonky, but I'm not minding it, and I definitely would not hang it the way that we're looking at it. I probably would hang it this way. So let me balance it out a little bit. Let me airbrush these edges into each other, and I think it'll be more cohesive. Back on that other edge and push some through those. muddy there. Okay, let me turn it because it's too hard to push it out when it's at the wrong angle. So a lot of times you'll see me move my paintings back and forth while I'm airbrushing. But that's a little bit better. See this big spot here that needs a little movement. And then it pushes all that, doesn't it? It's a little better. Okay. Looks good. It's not moving too much, so. Alright. I'm going to leave that right there. We'll wait to see what this looks like dry. It should be very bold with those metallics in there, because that gold, our gold from the Pourage Posse paints is very bright when it dries, and that gold bronze is very muted, so it should be really pretty when it dries. But that's it for this one, guys. Join us every Monday night. We're live right here on the channel. Ellen and I paint for 2 hours. It's fun. We have a great time with all of our viewers. Shop with us on Amazon for your paint pouring supplies. Everything's in there, even the stone coat now. And join our group on Facebook, the Pourage Posse with Christina Welch. Check out my art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. If you're interested in getting our paints, just send me an email and I'll give you the information. And my email, everything is below in the description. And shop with us on Etsy and Teespring and Redbubble. We have so many links below, so make sure you check them all out. And we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.